Hey everyone, it's your boy MKBHD and let's talk video editing, specifically Canva. It's super easy to use. Even if you're just starting out, you can make cool videos for social media or whatever you need. Canva works on your computer or your phone. It's not as crazy powerful as those expensive programs, but that's what makes it great. Simple and fast. You can trim your videos, put stuff on top of them, add music, make them look cool with filters. It's all in there. And yeah, they even have a paid version if you want to unlock everything. But the best part about Canva, you can jump in and start creating right away. No need to watch hours of tutorials, it just makes sense. So let's dive in and make some awesome videos. First things first, open up Canva and start a new video project. You can upload your own clips or even use the stuff they have ready to go. See that timeline at the bottom? That's where the magic happens. Drag and drop your clips to arrange them. You can trim them down by dragging the edges. Want to cut out a boring part? Split the clip right where you want and delete what you don't need. Super simple. Canva has tons of text styles, graphics, and stickers. Just drag and drop them onto your video to make it pop. You can even animate them. Okay, so watermarks, nobody likes them, right? Sometimes you can crop them out if they're at the edges of your video. Another trick is covering them up. Canva has shapes, text, whatever you need to put over the top. Just make sure it looks natural. But here's the thing. Watermarks usually mean someone else owns that video. And using their stuff without permission is a big no-no. If you need videos without watermarks, there are places online where you can buy them. Always be respectful of other people's work, all right? All right, now let's make your videos awesome. Transitions make your clips flow smoothly. Canva has tons of them. Fades, slides, all sorts of cool stuff. And don't forget about music. Canva has a library of tunes you can use, or you can upload your own jams. Music makes a huge difference. When you're done editing, hit that export button. Canva lets you choose the right quality for wherever you're sharing your video. Oh, and one more thing, Canva Pro. The paid version gives you more tools, more images, more everything. If you're serious about video, it's worth checking out. So that's the basics of Canva video editing. It's easy, it's fun, and you can make some seriously cool stuff. Go out there and create. Peace.